From hunters and gatherers to farmers. How did the development of agriculture change daily life in the Neolithic Age? Introduction. Scientists have identified and studied 5 important groups of hominins. Like the hominins before them, early modern humans hunted and gathered their food. You'll read about how early people learned, over thousands of years, to produce food by farming. Humans discovered farming toward the end of the Stone Age. This period gets its name from the stone tools prehistoric people made and used. Historians divide the Stone Age into 2 periods. The first is the Paleolithic Age, or Old Stone Age. During this period, people got food by roaming from place to place. They hunted wild animals. They gathered nuts, berries, and seeds from the plants they found. By about 8000 BCE, some people had learned how to raise animals and crops for food. This knowledge enabled or provided the means or ability to these people for the first time to live in one place. The Neolithic Age, or New Stone Age, had begun. There was a gradual shift from hunter-gatherers, food collectors, to farmers, food producers. This is one of the most important advances in human development. People built permanent shelters. They settled in larger communities in the best areas for growing crops. People developed new skills. They made a variety of things that improved the quality of their lives. Over time, they also began to exchange goods with people in other communities. They traded for the things they didn't have in their own villages. In this lesson, you will explore the many ways in which the development of farming changed human life. Section 1. From Old Stone Age to New Stone Age. The Old Stone Age, or Paleolithic Age, began about 2 million years ago with the first tool-making hominins. This period lasted until about 8000 BCE. Those hominins were the Homo habilis, by the way. It was during this time period that early modern humans developed. Like the hominins before them, early humans were hunter-gatherers. They wandered from place to place, hunting animals and gathering plants for food. Often they took shelter in caves. There, cave painters left clues about their prehistoric ways of life. The New Stone Age, or Neolithic Age, began when people started to farm and produce their own food. The discovery of farming did not happen all at once. Over thousands of years, people gradually learned to raise animals and plant crops. They eventually began to rely on these farms for their food. Now, rather than having to roam long distances in search of food, people could settle down in one place. The Neolithic Age began around 8000 BCE. It lasted until about 3000 BCE. People learned to make tools out of metal instead of stone. During this time, farming developed in many places throughout the world. This included parts of Europe, Africa, Asia, and the Americas.